So here we go, everyone. I hope all of you are in the best of health, wealth, love and happiness whenever you are watching this video, and also generally in life. So the thing is, I'm headed to work, and yesterday I made a POV drive at 6 a.m. but right now this is gonna be a 5 a.m. POV drive through the heart of Riyadh. And if you live in Riyadh or you have been to Riyadh, you would know that the heart of Riyadh is the most well-renowned road, the King Fahad road. So I'm gonna use that, and these are the scenes right now. I think I should turn this on as well, or maybe this is fine. So I would like to see what you people are seeing. So I'm recording this on an Insta360 GO 3S. Yeah, I think the camera angle is good over here. Yeah, over here is better. So I'll have to adjust my cap to give you guys a good angle for the POV drive. Okay, see, till here empty roads. Up ahead we don't know. By the way, there's some construction going on over there, so this isn't always empty. It's just because of the construction. So this is like a very decent place to see the sunrise, and right now today it's actually a bit hazy and slight bit yellowish, but sometimes it's so mesmerizing, and seeing it down this road, ooh, it makes it even better. So anyways, hi Changan. Please turn on the AC. There you go. Let's put the car in sports mode. Yeah, I just put it in sports mode. Now we are gonna take the ramp down onto King Fahad road, and there you see the Kingdom Tower. Okay, so this car is an absolute beast in sports mode. By the way, we will drive in speed limit, don't worry about that. But you see, to match with the pace of the road, because you see it's empty, people are driving the speed limit, you have to actually pace up. There we go. This is the situation of the traffic at this hour. The one video that I recorded yesterday, there was some traffic on this road because it was 6 a.m. Here we go. We are breezing through this road actually. Couldn't get more convenient than this. This scene is also quite interesting, the one you see over there in the top. Now in a little bit we'll have to take the exit to the Mecca road. Now we are on to the Mecca road, and as the name suggests, this road leads to Mecca. Actually, this line is also moving fairly fast. Around these times the drives are quite convenient. I get to stay away from the rush. But if you live in Riyadh, this rush is a part of life. You cannot get away from it. Now we have to stand here. Oh, actually we are lucky, it turned green. Now just let me put the car back into eco mode. Better. Now we shall have to wait here. But anyways, I'll end the video over here, and inshallah we'll see each other after the break that I have. See you soon.